Looking for the best smart meat thermometer but not sure which one to choose? With so many options available, finding the right one can be confusing. That's why we've done the research and picked the top 5 best smart meat thermometer based on quality, features, and overall performance. For more details on each product, check the links in the description below. Now, let's get started with number 5. Number 5. ThermoMaven P1 Wireless Thermometer Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. What sets this thermometer apart is its standalone display base, allowing you to monitor temperatures in real time without relying on your phone, perfect for cooks who value hands-on control. This feature makes it ideal for those who often find themselves juggling multiple tasks in the kitchen or outdoors, needing to quickly glance at temperatures without fumbling for their device. Meanwhile, the 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity ensure seamless tracking from anywhere, whether you're in the backyard or across town, catering to cooks who enjoy the freedom of monitoring their cook from a distance. With its 6-sensor precision and NIST-certified accuracy, you'll enjoy the confidence of perfectly cooked meals every time. It's also built to withstand extreme temperatures, making it perfect for grilling, roasting, and high-heat searing, while its waterproof design simplifies cleanup. The long-lasting battery life, with the display base charging in just 2 hours and the wireless probe lasting up to 2 hours on a 2-minute charge, means you can cook without interruptions. Number 4. iDiAK CP10 Wireless Meat Thermometer. While most meat thermometers in this category are clunky and hard to use, this wireless option takes a unique approach, incorporating a time capsule-inspired charging hub that not only charges the device but also serves as a symbol of preserving culinary memories. The 4-clover design on the probe handle makes it a thoughtful gift for anyone who enjoys cooking, whether it's a husband, father, wife, or friend. The 100% wireless freedom allows you to monitor temperatures from up to 500 feet away, making it perfect for grilling, barbecuing, or smoking. With dual sensors and accurate readings in just 3 seconds, you can ensure your meat is cooked to perfection every time. The accompanying app is also a game-changer, preset with USDA temperatures or customizable to your liking, complete with a timer and temperature chart. Plus, the probe can be charged in just 5 minutes for over 3 hours of use or 2 hours for up to 48 hours, making it a reliable companion for any cook. Number 3. Fieupix FM2205 Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. What makes this food thermometer stand out is its large screen base and easy-to-use design. It's a refreshing change from the usual tiny displays and fiddly buttons that make you wonder if you're doing it right. This one's a breeze to operate, with simple button controls and real-time temperature readings that let you know exactly what's going on without needing to download an app. Plus, it's got 6 high-accuracy sensors that deliver readings in just 0.5 seconds, that's lightning fast, and it's exactly what you need when you're trying to nail the perfect doneness for your meat. With features like Smart App Control, custom food menu presets, and wireless probes that can track 2 meats at once, this thermometer is perfect for anyone who takes their cooking seriously. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, it's got all the tools you need to create perfectly cooked dishes every time. And let's talk about durability. This thing is built to last, with waterproof and high-temperature resistant probes that can withstand the rigors of even the most intense cooking sessions. Overall, this digital meat thermometer is a game-changer for anyone who loves to cook, and it's a must-have for anyone who wants to take their meals to the next level. Number 2. ThermoMaven WT02 Lite Smart Wi-Fi Wireless Meat Thermometer. This product is a total game-changer for any serious home cook or grill master who wants to take their cooking to the next level. With smart base control, you can set temperatures and monitor progress without needing your phone nearby, which is a total lifesaver on long cooking days. And let's talk about cook-perfect meat every time. The 6-sensor wireless meat probe is insane, tracking the true core temperature in real time so you know exactly when your steak, chicken, or barbecue reaches the perfect doneness. It's perfect for grilling, smoking, roasting, oven cooking, and more with waterproof probes designed for everyday use. Plus, you've got 1,000 feet of robust wireless connection and a Wi-Fi bridge, so you can enjoy real-time monitoring from anywhere, whether you're relaxing on the patio or prepping in the kitchen. And the AI-powered guided cooking feature is a total bonus, with an app that generates recipes, tracks temperature graphs, and sends instant alerts when your food is done. If you're a grill enthusiast or a home cook who wants to elevate your game, trust me, this product is a must-have. It's a total winner, with a 4.8-star rating that speaks for itself. Number 1. ThermoMaven G1 Wireless Thermometer Sub-Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. If you're looking for a wireless meat thermometer that's not only accurate but also incredibly easy to use, I'd highly recommend this one. What sets it apart is the smart display base. It shows real-time temperature readings and lets you set temperatures directly on the device, no app required, which is a total game-changer for grill masters and home cooks alike. Plus, the one-click setup is ridiculously simple, and the reliable sub-1G connectivity means you can track your food from up to 3,000 feet away, giving you the freedom to relax and socialize while your meat is cooking. I love that it's NIST certified accurate to plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit, and with 6 sensors, you can be confident your food is never undercooked or overcooked. It's also built to withstand crazy high temperatures, up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit internal and 752 degrees Fahrenheit ambient, and features an IPX8 waterproof rating, making cleanup a breeze. And for those who want to take it to the next level, the app-controlled cooking feature lets you set alerts, track temperatures, and achieve perfect results every time from your phone, making it a must-have for any serious home cook. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this helpful, the links to grab these picks are right in the description below, so be sure to check them out. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you never miss our next review. See you in the next one.